Hey everybody, welcome to week 3. I just want to go over a quick review of what's expected for the week. Your reading assignment this week is chapter 12 on lifestyle management, chapter 13 on professionalism, and chapter 14 on lifelong learning. You have your weekly discussion questions. The response 1 says describe how diet, physical activity, sleep, and preventive measures contribute to healthy living. Feel free to list examples of healthy living in your own life. So first, as it says, describe how these 4 different aspects of healthy living or contribute to healthy living, and then provide me a way that you either incorporate or you don't incorporate these 4 things into your life, and how you might be able to do better or how it's affected your health. Then your response 2 is you read and review professionalism in chapter 13. In your own words, what does professionalism mean to you? And then provide at least 3 examples from each of the categories below. So, under professional behaviors, I want 3 examples that are listed in the book and what they mean to you. Under professional healthcare skills, 3 examples that are listed in the book and what they mean to you. And professional appearances, 3 examples from the book and what they mean to you. Then you'll have your responses to your fellow classmates from there, as well as anything that I might add. Again, I'm going to say this right now. The reference here is an example. It is not the reference for your textbook, so please do not use it as such. This is just an example of a reference. So don't use DeVore as your reference. You have an OSHA assignment this week. The assignment you completed in week 2 was to get you ready for this assignment. It's much like that week 2 assignment. You can take it as many times as you'd like. You must score a 70% on the assignment. So unless you've scored a 70% on the assignment, don't stop trying. There's no time limit, and you can submit it as many times as you like. Make sure you read the note below. Passing this exam does not lead to an OSHA certificate. However, students additionally have the option to obtain their bloodborne pathogens, HIV, and infectious control certifications through the Central Florida Health and Safety Training Center, which the link is there, as well as through the OSHA website, which the link is right there. If you choose to do so, this is solely for your own purposes and is not a requirement for this course. You will still need to complete the assignment and pass with at least a 70. So even if you have your OSHA certificate already, you still have to complete this assignment and earn a 70% on this assignment to pass the class. Okay, and then you have your week 3 quiz. And that's it. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact me. Now, I want to mention something real quick. You do have a paper in week 4. If you'd like to start working on it in week 3, please feel free to do so. This assignment you do not have to submit through the OWL, but I would encourage you to do so. It only improves your paper and improves your writing and teaches you how to be a better writer. Excuse me. So for the week 4 written assignment, you're going to review the Thinking It Through green box, which can be found in your text, page 520, and reflect on the scenario and identify your feelings regarding its content. After reviewing the scenario, answer the 4 questions listed underneath the scenario on page 520. Use the material you have learned this week, but also think outside the box. I suggest writing 1 short paragraph for each of the 4 questions. So what they're saying here is use your reading, reference your reading that you read for this chapter in this scenario. Use that in your answers, but also think outside the box while you're answering the questions. So if you want to start working on that, feel free. It will be due at the end of week 4. No, you do not have to submit it to the OWL, but I highly encourage you to do so. With that, I wish you well, and again, if you have any questions, concerns, or need clarification, please contact me. Talk to you later.